Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a 3D typography perspective view on Adobe Illustrator. Create a new document, File menu, New Document, and click on Create. Using the Type tool, with caps lock on, I will type my text. I will increase the size holding Shift key and then press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+F to paste in place and move the text. I will repeat the same to create copies and then change the text. Double click on the text to edit it. Next, I will select all and change the font to Webus New and then center align it. Change the color. Increase the size holding Shift key. Now select the first word and go to Effects, 3D, Rotate. To give it an angle, make sure your preview is on and then make it an isometric right, OK. Select the second word and repeat the same. This time make it isometric left and OK. Select the third word, repeat the steps and make it isometric bottom and OK. Select word, repeat the steps and make it isometric bottom and OK. Now to place these, I'm using the arrow keys to shift and do my placements. So here I want the day and 2020 to be here. So basically I'm using the arrow keys to shift and create a composition. Now my basic structure is ready and let's enlarge this holding Shift. Then let's select World and go to the Effects, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. So apply new effect and off excess front and click OK. Now select Skill and I will give the same effect to this also. Now if you see, the problem is world is going in the left direction and I want the skill to be in the right direction. So what I will do is hold and move the axis. And now I will extrude it to 80 points and OK. So now let's select world and skill together, holding the Shift key and give it an outline of a darker shade. So we have this now. Let's change the angle of this word because when I'm seeing the day and 2020 the angle looks quite weird. So let's change this. Okay, this looks good now. So now select the day and I'm giving it this pattern I've created. If you want to know how to create a pattern, do let me know in the comment section below. So now I will select day and 2020 and go to fill and select the fill in pattern and give it a white outline. So now I will just select day, go to the effects, select distort and transform and then transform. Make it 10 copies with 3-point vertical distance and OK. I'll do the same with 2020. so making the final adjustments. So let's select all and group it together by holding Ctrl+G and center align it to the page. Now I will use a pen tool to give it a platform. I will go in the same direction as the artwork. I'm unable to see what's there. So for that I will make the fill color as none, and using the direct selection tool I will adjust the points. And now we just extend the base and making it visually correct. And then give it a fill color. To send this at the back, right click, arrange and send it to back. Now I will select this and change the color to a lighter shade. Then select this base and create a copy this time. I'm using Ctrl with V to paste. Now to give it a shadow effect, I will use a darker shade. Now right click, arrange and send it back and shift. Then using the pen tool I will add nodes and delete the extra and repeat the same with the others as well. And give it a background using rectangle tool. Then right click, arrange and send it to back. We have our final artwork ready.